In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero for accountants. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or a bookkeeper just getting started, Xero is a powerful tool to streamline your accounting processes and enhance your productivity. Let's dive in and explore how you can efficiently use Xero to manage your accounting tasks. First things first, logging into Xero. If you're an accountant or bookkeeper, you'll want to use the Xero Partner Login, also known as Xero HQ. This is ideal when managing multiple clients' accounts. If you're working directly within a client's business, make sure to log in using the access they've provided. Next, setting up or accessing a client organization is straightforward. Within Xero HQ, you'll need to select the client's organization you wish to manage. This action will take you directly to their Xero Dashboard, where you have access to manage their accounts, bookkeeping, payroll, and reporting needs. It's a comprehensive platform that centralizes all these tasks with ease. Moving on to managing the chart of accounts. Head over to Accounting, then Advanced, and select Chart of Accounts. Here, you have the option to add, edit, or archive accounts to ensure they align perfectly with your client's reporting requirements. Don't forget to apply the correct tax rates to ensure compliance. This step is crucial for accurate reporting and financial management. Managing bank transactions is another essential aspect. Navigate to Accounting and then Bank Accounts. Here you can either import bank statements manually using a CSV file or set up automated bank feeds. Utilizing bank reconciliation is key. It allows you to match bank transactions swiftly with invoices, bills, and expenses, ensuring that your client's books are always up to date. Processing invoices, bills, and expenses is next. For sales invoices, simply go to Business, then Invoices, and create a new invoice. For bills to pay, head to Business, then Bills to Pay, and enter a new bill. Similarly, you can manage expense claims under Business Expense Claims if this feature is enabled. This process maintains accurate cash flow and tracks accounts payable and receivable efficiently. Managing payroll can be a breeze if your Xero subscription includes it. Just go to Payroll and you can set up employee profiles, pay items, and conduct pay runs. Make sure to file taxes and superannuation if you're in a supported region. This function helps to keep your payroll duties organized and compliant. Generating reports is straightforward in Xero. Go to Accounting, then Reports, where you can run various common reports such as profit and loss, balance sheet, and aged receivables, among others. Customize and publish these reports for your clients to review, keeping them informed and engaged with their financial standing. For practice management, Xero HQ is your hub for tracking tasks and deadlines across clients. You can access important notifications like overdue returns and unreconciled transactions, and even assign jobs to team members. Real-time collaboration is a standout feature of Xero. Both you and your clients can access the platform simultaneously using the Notes feature for comments on invoices or transactions, ensuring effective communication without the constant back and forth of emails. Lastly, staying compliant and efficient is made easier with Xero Tax, where available, allowing you to file tax returns directly. Enhance your workflows with Xero apps and integrations like HubDoc for handling receipts or Practice Ignition for proposals. These integrations automate time-consuming tasks and elevate your practice's efficiency. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Xero for accountants. Implement these steps and you'll find Xero to be an indispensable tool in your accounting toolbox, streamlining your operations and delivering top-notch services to your clients. To